In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M553dn series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP Color LaserJet Enterprise, and then a space M553dn support. Best results, you come back with an HP support page that says HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M553dn. Go ahead and open up that link. And now that we're here, just scroll down a little bit on the page, and you want to select underneath the software sections here. There's going to be different options and different utilities you can look at or use that are compatible with your device. You want to just expand the driver universal print driver and select the universal print drivers for Windows. Go ahead and select that and the download button for that. And then once it's done downloading, just go ahead and open up that file to extract it or open it up. There should be an application in this folder. You can see there's an install item in here. Just double click on it. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then you can close out of the web browser. It's going to say, welcome to the HP Universal Printing Setup Wizard. You have to accept the license agreement by selecting yes. And you can select the type of printer you want to use. So there's going to be USB plug and play, traditional mode, or with dynamic mode. And you just would select next. And then just follow through with the wizard here of getting your driver installed. And that's pretty much all you have to do. It's a pretty straightforward process on this. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.